Today in SERDNA Talks, we're going to talk about the housing market and a little bit about Florida. People in Florida spend more money than what they actually make. They really want to live like billionaires, and eventually they won't have a single dime to pay for anything. Florida is one of the best places to live. The weather is something else. It's always hot in Miami, and the humidity level is beyond imagination. It's literally like living in the jungle. So welcome to the jungle. The Florida's real estate market is extremely active, and houses are selling like if they were ice creams. Buying a house, not a condo, has become a challenge, and the sellers that know how to price correctly a property are seeing multiple offers, and those listings are becoming a bidding war. New pending sale of single-family homes show big gains. It increased approximately 21% if we compare to 2019. And these three Florida cities are giving the world something to talk about. Miami, Tampa, Boca Raton are the best places or cities to buy real estate, that's for sure. And even if we are living through this black swan event, the housing market is very hot like the weather. It is an attractive market, an incredible place to live and to invest. Plus, taxes are a lot lower than in California or New York City, just to name a few. And as I mentioned in one of my previous videos, the demand for properties in Southeast Florida has a lot to do with the fact that we have low interest rates. We have thousands and thousands of people moving from other cities such as New York City, Chicago, Los Angeles, San Francisco, etc. because of tax benefits. And snowbirds are now taking this opportunity to make this their new primary residence. Florida brings people from all around the world. Everyone loves it. Who doesn't? Florida is incredible. We are surrounded by nature. We have the most beautiful people and beaches. And the food here is something else. So when people decide to move to this awesome state, they take into consideration the weather, the beaches, the lifestyle, and of course, they take into consideration the low property taxes and low income taxes. The entire world wants to live here in Miami and Florida. Florida has a lot going for it. Let's talk about my favorite type of properties, single-family homes. The current market is in favor of sellers because of the low supply and extremely high demand. And homes are selling for the asking price. Sometimes they're selling for $40,000 or $60,000 above asking price. There isn't much inventory, and when homes for sale are priced correctly, those will get sold very, very quickly. But if we talk about condos, we have thousands and thousands and thousands of condos, and because of that, those are harder to sell and their prices are falling. So if you are in the market for the most incredible view, now it could be the time to buy a condo. However, if you can afford to buy a property without involving a lender or a bank, and if you have the patience to wait for the housing market to fall like dominoes, then wait. Put aside all the cash in the world that you can and get ready, because property prices will be adjusted in multiple areas, cities, or zip codes. But remember this, all areas are different, and some markets will be affected in a negative way, while others will remain intact. If you're financing your property, I'm going to give you one advice that can help you win a bidding war on a house. It's nothing out of this world, but people don't realize the importance of it. If you really want to buy a house tomorrow, then go get pre-approved today. Go now, not tomorrow. Smart home buyers do their research and get pre-approved for a mortgage before beginning their house search. And if you really want to be ahead of your competition or other buyers, then tell your lender to give you the DU today, not tomorrow. Desktop underwriter. Your offer will be more attractive to the sellers. In another video, I will tell you more about how to win a bidding war. If you have questions, remember to subscribe to SERDNA Talks and to share all my videos with your friends and family. I have to go. See you soon. Ciao.